Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What happened?
My bank card isn't working. I tried to get some cash from the ATM, but it showed an error message.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Did the ATM return your card?
Yes, it did, but I still don't know what's wrong.
Okay, let's check the problem together.
Actually, I think there may be another problem.
What is it?
I may have forgotten my PIN.
Oh, that could be a problem.
I know, I'm having a terrible banking day.
Don't worry. By the end of this conversation, we'll go through several common banking problems and learn useful English phrases.
That sounds helpful.
Great! Let's get started. Asking a bank employee for help. First, tell me exactly what happened at the ATM.
I put my card into the ATM and entered my PIN.
What happened next?
The ATM showed an error message. Then it returned my card, but it didn't give me any cash.
Did it say why the transaction failed?
Yes, it said transaction declined.
I see. Don't worry. There can be several reasons for that.
I'm worried because I need some cash today.
We can check your account and your card.
What information do you need?
First, I need to see your bank card and a valid ID.
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check your account.
Of course.
Thank you for waiting. I can see that your account is active, but your card needs to be checked.
Can you fix it?
We can check the card and find out what's causing the problem.
That's a relief. Thank you.
You're welcome. Opening a bank account.
Alice, while I'm here, can I ask you something else?
Of course. What would you like to know?
I'm thinking about opening a bank account.
Sure, we can help you with that.
Is it difficult to open an account?
Not at all. The process is quite simple.
What do I need?
You'll need a valid ID and an application form.
Can I fill out the form here?
Yes, you can fill it out at the customer service desk.
What information do I need to provide?
You'll need basic information, such as your full name, address, phone number, and date of birth.
Do I need any other documents?
It depends on the type of account and the bank's requirements.
I see. What types of accounts do you offer?
We offer checking accounts and savings accounts.
What's the difference?
A checking account is useful for everyday payments, bills, and withdrawals.
And a savings account?
A savings account is mainly for saving money for the future.
I think a savings account would be better for me.
That sounds like a good choice.
Do I need to deposit money when I open the account?
It depends on the account. Some accounts require an initial deposit.
Is there a minimum balance?
Some accounts have a minimum balance requirement, while others don't.
Will I get a debit card?
Yes, you can request a debit card.
Can I use online banking too?
Yes, you can check your balance, transfer money, and manage your account online.
That's very convenient.
It certainly is.
What should I do next?
I'll give you the application form, and we can go through it together.
Thank you, Alice.
You're welcome.
Making a deposit and withdrawal. Now that I know about bank accounts, I have another question.
Sure, go ahead.
How can I put money into my account?
You can make a deposit.
How do I make a deposit?
You can deposit money at the bank counter. First, fill out a deposit slip.
What information do I write on it?
Usually, you write your name, account number, the amount, and the date.
Then what?
Take the slip and your money to the teller.
The teller is the bank employee at the counter, right?
Exactly.
Do I give the money and the slip to the teller?
Yes, the teller will check the information and process your deposit.
Will I get a receipt?
Yes, you should keep the receipt for your records.
Can I deposit cash?
Yes.
What about a check?
You may also be able to deposit a check, depending on the bank and your account.
So a deposit means putting money into my account.
Exactly.
And if I want to take money out?
Then you make a withdrawal.
Can I withdraw money at the bank counter?
Yes, you can also use an ATM.
What do I need at the bank counter?
You may need your ID and account information. You may also need a withdrawal slip.
What do I write on it?
Write the amount you want to withdraw and sign it.
And then I give it to the teller?
Correct.
What about using an ATM?
It's usually more convenient. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and choose the withdrawal option.
Then I enter the amount I want?
Yes, follow the instructions on the screen.
And then I take the cash?
Exactly. Don't forget to take your card and receipt.
Good point.
And remember, never share your PIN with anyone.
Got it. My PIN should stay private.
Exactly.
Another ATM problem. Alice, I have another problem with the ATM.
What happened this time?
I tried to withdraw money, but the ATM didn't give me any cash.
Did it show a message?
Yes, it said transaction declined.
Did you check your account balance?
No, I didn't.
You should check it first. You may not have enough money in your account.
What if I have enough money?
Then there could be another reason. Your card might be blocked or expired.
How can I find out?
We can check your card here at the bank.
Okay.
There's another situation you should know about.
What's that?
Sometimes an ATM can keep your card.
Really? What should I do if that happens?
Don't panic. Contact the bank immediately.
Should I try to pull the card out?
No, never force the card out.
Okay, I'll contact the bank.
Good.
What if the ATM gives me less cash than I requested?
Count your cash before leaving the ATM.
And if the amount is wrong?
Keep your receipt and contact the bank as soon as possible.
What if my account is charged twice?
Contact your bank immediately and report the problem.
What information should I give them?
Give them the date, time, amount, and location of the ATM.
That makes sense.
And if an ATM looks damaged or unusual, don't use it.
Why?
It may not be safe. Use another ATM or visit the bank.
So if an ATM shows an error, I should stay calm and check my account first.
Exactly.
Alice, I have a more serious problem.
What happened?
I think I lost my bank card.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. When did you notice it was missing?
This morning.
Where did you use it last?
I used it at a grocery store yesterday.
Have you checked your wallet and your bag?
Yes, but I still can't find it.
Then you should report the lost card as soon as possible.
Why is it important to report it quickly?
Because someone could find your card and try to use it.
What should I do first?
Block or freeze the card.
Can I do that through my banking app?
Yes, if your bank offers that option.
That's another problem. I can't access my banking app.
What happens when you try to log in?
It says incorrect username or password.
Did you check your login details?
Yes, but I still can't log in.
Try the forgot password option and follow the instructions.
What if I don't receive the verification code?
Check that your phone number is correct. Then wait a few minutes and try again.
What if it still doesn't work?
Contact your bank through an official channel.
What happens after I report my lost card?
The bank can block the card so it can't be used for new transactions.
Can I get a new card?
Yes, you can request a replacement card.
What if I find my old card later?
If the bank has already blocked it, don't use it. Follow the bank's instructions.
Understood.
And remember, never share your password, PIN, or verification code with anyone.
Even if someone says they work for the bank?
Yes, never share those details.
What if I see a transaction I don't recognize?
Contact your bank immediately and report it.
Should I change my password?
Yes, especially if you think someone may have accessed your account.
So, if I lose my card, I should report it immediately and block or freeze it.
Exactly.
And if I can't access online banking, I should check my login details, reset my password, and contact the bank if necessary.
Perfect.
Alice, I have one more problem.
Of course. What happened?
I need to send some money urgently, but I can't complete the transfer.
Who are you trying to send the money to?
My brother, he needs the money today.
Are you using your banking app?
Yes, but the transfer keeps failing.
What message do you see?
It says, transfer failed. Please try again.
First, check the recipient's details.
I already checked them twice.
Good. Do you have enough money in your account?
Yes, I do.
How about your internet connection?
It seems fine.
Okay, try the transfer one more time.
I'm trying again now.
Did it work?
No, it still failed.
What does the app say now?
It says, transaction temporarily unavailable.
There may be a temporary problem with the transfer service.
But I need to send the money today. What can I do?
Contact your bank through its official customer service channel.
Can they help me?
Yes, they can check your account and find out why the transfer is failing.
Okay, I'll contact them.
Good.
I've contacted the bank. They checked my account.
What did they say?
They said there was a temporary problem with the transfer service.
Did they tell you what to do?
Yes, they told me to wait a few minutes and try again.
Great. Let's try it again.
I'm entering the details now.
Take your time and make sure everything is correct.
The account number and name are correct.
Good. Now confirm the transfer.
I'm confirming it now.
Did it go through?
Yes, it says transfer successful.
That's great news.
I'm so relieved.
Did you receive a confirmation message?
Yes, I also received a transaction reference.
Perfect. Keep that information until your brother receives the money.
I will.
So, what should you check if a money transfer fails?
I should check the recipient's details, my account balance, and my internet connection.
Excellent.
And if the problem continues, I should contact my bank through an official channel.
Exactly. Final review.
Alice, I've learned a lot today.
That's great. Let's quickly review some important banking words.
Okay.
What is a deposit?
A deposit means putting money into my bank account.
Correct. And what is a withdrawal?
A withdrawal means taking money out of my account.
Excellent. What should you do if an ATM transaction is declined?
I should stay calm, check my account, and contact my bank if the problem continues.
Good. What should you do if you lose your bank card?
I should report it immediately and block or freeze the card.
And what should you do if an online transfer fails?
I should check the details and contact my bank if necessary.
Perfect. And what a...
My PIN, password, or verification code.
Exactly.
Banking seems much easier now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thanks for helping me, Alice.
You're welcome, David. Remember, stay calm, check the details carefully, and keep your banking information private.
I will. See you next time.
See you, David.
Bye.
Bye.